tab is view only, so you can't edit anything on this tab. Let me show you what happens when you do that, okay? So let's say I'm going to double click in here, and I don't know, I don't want to use that, so I think I'm just going to backspace it. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to prompt me and tell me, like, are you sure you want to do that? And maybe you're just like, yes, I know, I want to do it. Okay, it's not going to let you, all right? So if you want to just try to backspace the whole thing, it's not going to let you backspace it. But let's say you accidentally typed in the box and you edited some of this text here. Hit enter, and it's going to make this column go blank. So everything underneath. Anytime you see a ref error appear, I put this little bar up here to kind of prompt you guys so that anytime you see a ref error, this means that you have accidentally typed on your planner tab, okay? And that's why resources aren't showing up. So if you ever see the ref pop up, you just quickly hit Control-Z and it'll all come back. Okay, so you can see your prop options in these columns right here. We have like the extension rewards suggestions right here, and then website rewards right here. And then also lesson notes by Stephanie Rivera are in column K. Your own personal lesson notes are in this column right here. And just to tell you guys, so if it says my favorite or my lesson notes, this is going to be done on the favorites tab itself, okay? So keep watching if you want to learn about the favorites tab, because it is awesome and it's gonna like make your prep literally like 1 minute. I'm not kidding. So if you choose to utilize it. So column I should be blank until you fill it up. Column I is what reward you picked for that specific student, okay? So in order to open links from your planner tab, I suggest using a keyboard shortcut to open it, because then you're not, accidentally trying to click this little white flag right here, because if you're trying to double click to open a link, that's not going to work, because it's going to think you want to edit the text like we just talked about. You can just click once on the cell and this white flag will pop up, and this will open it in a new window. I'll also show you this other cool way. You can open up like anything. Let's say I want to open up. I'm gonna scroll down here. Let's say you want to open up these two, okay? Just those two. I'm gonna hit Alt or Option on your Mac, I think. Alt Enter, and it's gonna open up both of those links at the same time. Okay, so just use that keyboard shortcut. It's super awesome. Okay, I'm gonna X those out. All right, so you can use Alt Enter to open, or you can just click once and bam, right there. Okay, now let's talk about how to fill up this selected reward.